CAR T therapy modifies a patient's T-cells to target and destroy cancer cells. This groundbreaking immunotherapy offers personalized treatment for previously challenging cancers. The process begins with T-cell collection from the patient's blood. These cells are then genetically modified to express chimeric antigen receptors, expanded in the lab, and reintroduced into the patient's body to target and eliminate cancer cells. FDA regulations ensure the safety and efficacy of CAR T therapies. This includes compliance with 21 CFR 210 and 211 for manufacturing, Part 1271 for human cells, and the Biologics License application process. The European Medicines Agency provides guidelines for CAR T therapies, including GMP for ATMPs, European Commission guidelines, and marketing authorization requirements. The World Health Organization ensures global standards for CAR T therapies, focusing on quality assurance, global harmonization, and safety standards to ensure consistent and safe treatments worldwide. Australia's Therapeutic Goods Administration regulates CAR T products under the Therapeutic Goods Administration Act 1989, ensuring strict GMP for biologics, product licensing, and clinical trial approval. The South African Health Products Regulatory Authority ensures CAR T therapies meet GMP standards for quality, safety, and efficacy, with a focus on market authorization and international collaboration. Brazil's Anvisa and the South African MCC provide guidelines for CAR T therapies, focusing on regulations, key aspects of gene therapy, and GMP compliance to ensure safe and effective use. Designing CAR T manufacturing facilities involves creating cleanrooms, segregating production areas, and establishing support areas for materials, reagents, and final products to maintain sterile environments. Validating equipment for CAR T manufacturing is essential to ensure consistent production of high-quality cellular products. This includes bioreactors, cell culture systems, viral vector systems, and critical equipment. Maintaining specific air quality levels, filtering contaminants, and monitoring environmental conditions are crucial for CAR T production. This includes HVAC systems, air filtration, environmental monitoring, and microbial control. Qualified personnel, ongoing GMP training, and strict hygiene protocols are essential for CAR T manufacturing. This ensures all staff are knowledgeable and compliant with the latest standards and procedures. Setting up a GMP facility involves designing cleanrooms, implementing environmental controls, planning equipment spaces, and segregating critical areas to meet GMP standards and minimize cross-contamination risks. Selecting the right equipment for CAR T therapy includes isolating T-cells, performing genetic modification, expanding cells, and preparing for infusion. This ensures efficient and effective treatment processes. Training for CAR T manufacturing includes GMP training, CAR T-specific techniques, continuous education, and role-specific training to ensure all personnel are skilled and knowledgeable in their roles. Quality control in CAR T manufacturing involves sterility testing, potency testing, viral contamination testing, and identity testing to ensure the safety and efficacy of the final product. Validation processes ensure consistent quality from T-cell collection to infusion. This includes process validation, equipment qualification, facility commissioning, and ongoing monitoring. Documenting facility design includes detailed architectural plans, environmental control documentation, cleanroom certification, and commissioning reports to ensure compliance with GMP standards. Documenting equipment qualification involves detailing specifications, validation protocols, and calibration and maintenance records to ensure optimal performance and compliance with GMP standards. Standard operating procedures for CAR T manufacturing cover T-cell collection, genetic modification, environmental monitoring, cleaning, sterilization, and deviation handling to ensure consistent and safe production. Quality management system documentation includes QC testing protocols, risk management plans, and QA policies. These elements ensure the integrity and safety of our manufacturing processes. Personnel training documentation covers training records and certification, training programs and curriculum, and personnel qualification files. This ensures that all staff are well prepared and qualified for their roles. Validation documentation includes process validation reports, change control documentation, and post-market surveillance plans. These documents are crucial for maintaining product quality and compliance. Regulatory submission documents consist of regulatory compliance reports, marketing authorization applications, and biologics license applications. These documents are essential for gaining regulatory approval and ensuring compliance. Batch records and documentation include batch production records, release certificates, and stability data. These records are vital for tracking the production and quality of each batch. Regulatory challenges in GMP setup include regional differences, changing regulations, and the need for thorough documentation and inspections. Navigating these challenges is crucial for maintaining compliance and ensuring product safety. The high costs of GMP facilities are driven by stringent infrastructure requirements, specialized equipment, skilled personnel, and extensive validation and documentation processes. These factors contribute to the overall expense of maintaining GMP compliance. Ensuring consistency and quality involves managing batch-to-batch variability, optimizing processes, controlling contamination, and conducting end-to-end testing. These practices are essential for maintaining high product standards. Scaling up production presents challenges such as transitioning from small to large scale, maintaining quality, managing supply chain complexity, and expanding infrastructure. Addressing these challenges is key to successful production scale-up. GXP Salators offers regulatory compliance services including guidance on regulatory approvals, preparation of regulatory documentation, and continuous monitoring. These services help ensure compliance and streamline regulatory processes. GXP Salators provides facility setup services including facility design and layout, environmental control systems, and validation and documentation. These services ensure that facilities are GMP compliant and optimized for production. Process optimization services include process design and mapping, production scale-up, and process monitoring and control. These services help streamline production and ensure consistent product quality. Training and support services encompass GMP training, CAR-T techniques, and ongoing support. These services ensure that staff are well-trained and supported throughout the production process. Choosing GXP Salators offers regulatory expertise, customized solutions, a cost-effective approach, and long-term partnership. These benefits help optimize production processes and ensure compliance. For expert consultation and comprehensive support, contact GXP Salators. We're here to guide you through every step of your CAR-T therapy GMP facility setup and optimization.